Imagine a place where leaders are born, minds are transformed, and excellence is the norm. Welcome to ICFAI Business School, an institution that has sculpted over 70,000 students into professionals over the last 25 years.
With 9 distinct campuses all over India, each a center of excellence, IBS offers unparalleled opportunities.
Our Hyderabad campus stands proud with ACSB accreditation and holds NIRF ranking of 39.
Our commitment to excellence is reflected in our outstanding placement records. With highest international package touching around 36.78 lakhs per annum and over 750 companies selecting our candidates.
To support deserving candidates, we offer scholarships because we feel that merit and not the means should be the cornerstone of anybody's journey. Through our case-based methodology, we bring practice and theory at one platform and nurture the students accordingly.
We don't just educate, we help students transform. We don't just teach management, we create leaders. That's why we have IPSET, the Gateway to Management Excellence.
To be a part of IBS, interested candidates need to appear for a qualifying test called IPSAT, which stands for ICFAI Business School Aptitude Test. Once they clear this IPSAT test, they can then appear for micro presentation and personal interview, which is held at IBS Hyderabad campus. To support prospective candidates who are preparing for IPSAT, IBS provides mock tests on their website. IPSAT will be held on 28th and 29th of December 2024, qualifying which the students can then go to Hyderabad campus and appear for the final round of their interviews, that is conducted via micro presentation and personal interviews. All qualified candidates need to appear for selection briefing held at the different branch offices, where they can get to know about the details of their admission process in Hyderabad and they can get to know answers of any other queries. Mid-March, the final results are out and we are ready to welcome students for the fresh new session.
The selection process is holistic, considering all assessment areas and mandates preparation, including time management and professional conduct. From this year, IBS has introduced micro-presentation along with personal interview. In micro-presentation, topics will be given to a candidate from which one has to be selected. 4 minutes will be given to the candidate, 1 minute for preparation and 3 minutes for the presentation. This will be followed by a personal interview. A candidate will be judged based on his or her attitude, communication skills, and overall acumen for management education.
So don't refrain from taking your first step towards management education and transform your lives through IBS.